Hi everyone, my name is Mollen Mukuze, the Managing Director of Brendmo Accountants, a growing accounting firm based in South Africa and in Zimbabwe. Welcome to Brendmo Business Hub channel. If you are thinking of starting a business or want to grow your existing business, you are actually at the right place. In our previous video, I highlighted the steps to start a business. In there, the first step was to draw up a business plan. Here it is today. In this video, we are going to go through the steps to help you write a business plan that can guide your business strategy and attract investors and set you up for success in your business. Step number one, very crucial and it's very important, is the executive summary of your business plan. This is a brief overview of your business plan, highlights your business's key points and goals. It should briefly include your business concepts, your target market, your unique selling proposition, and your financial projection. This is the most important part of your business plan, and some people will not have time to read or go through the full document of a business plan, but they should grasp everything from the executive summary. Step number two, the business description. I think it's talking from the word description. It's self-explanatory. This is where you describe and explain your business, including the industry where you are operating in, the products, the services you are offering, and your target market. In this section, it's important to highlight your differentiating factor. How different are you from your competitors? You need to include that in your business description. Step number three is your market analysis. This section simply shows how well you know your market. Market analysis should provide an in-depth analysis of your target market, including the size, the demographics, the trends, and the potential growth opportunities. You should always include information about your competition or your competitors and how you plan to position your business in the entire market. Step number four is organization and your management, right? This fourth section of your business plan is the organization and your management structure. This section should provide information about the structure of your business, including the legal structure or its legal entity. You should highlight your key personnel, also include information about any external advisors or consultants who will be involved in your business. So this is where you can draw up your organogram, your company structure. Step number five is the products and services that you are offering. So in this section, you should describe the products. And you should also, if it's services, you should describe the services you offer as well, including the features, the benefits, the pricing. You should also include information about any patents, trademarks, or intellectual property that you hold in your products or in your services. Step number six is your marketing and your sales section, where you need to go in depth about your marketing strategy, including your target audience, your channels, and your budget around marketing. You should actually also include information about your sales strategy, including your sales team, your pricing strategy, and your distribution channels. This should show detailed advertising, outreach, and public relation campaigns to be carried out by your company, including how the company will measure the effect of those initiatives. The strategy typically follows the 4P principles, which is product, price, promotion, and the place. It's very important to know your audience when you're doing that. Step number seven, the most important step in a business plan as well, is your financial projection. This is one of the most important parts of the business plan. This section of your financial business projection should provide a detailed analysis of your financials, including your income statement, your cash flows, right? So investors like this section very well. You should also include information about your funding requirements and your sources of capital. When you are projecting, you need to be realistic about the assumptions you are using to make your projection. If you anticipate to sell your sales to grow by 20% in the next few years, you need to have assumption to say, why not 5? Why not 30? Meaning you need to think through all your contributing factors to make your business successful when you are projecting, right? So in conclusion, writing a business plan can be a daunting task, but it's an essential step in starting or growing a successful business. By following these steps and taking time to research and analyze your business thoroughly, you can create a comprehensive and effective business plan that can guide your decision making and set you up for success. So a business plan is not a waste of time. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave them down on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe or even to go to our website to see more content of this nature. We actually want to offer templates for business plan. If you need one, just get in touch with us, then we can give you a simple template. If you need more comprehensive help, we are here to assist you. Thank you.